this cylinder. Looks pretty bad, but we're gonna be able to get this off here in a second. I used a punch originally to knock the holes in after I traced it. Go. So today I'm gonna attempt to make what I'll call a punch plate. This is off that old Norton Commando head gasket. So I lined up one of the bolts, and I think it's like that there, and drilled out where a bunch of the bolts will go. There's one there, one there, one there, one there, one there, and then this is my bolt I started with. Used a drill bit first, and now I'm using a thingamajigger to widen the holes. I'll bolt this on top of the jug, and I'm going to use a puller and put it underneath there and use it as a pusher, and we'll see if we can't push that piston on out of this bike or blow the whole thing up trying. Now if this works, you'll see this on the video. If it don't, you'll never see it. So we're going to keep making this hole wider. Don't do this on your wife's good table. We don't have one. We have kids. We traded our good stuff in for kids. Alright, that should be big enough. Alright, so this is a bolt hole, this is a bolt hole, that's a passageway, that's a bolt hole, bolt hole, bolt hole, bolt hole, bolt hole. Might have to ream that one out a little bit. There's two studs that come up through these. I'm not sure if they're actually going to hit or not, but I went ahead and made it a spot. So I think with this one, and these two, this will be where my piston gets pushed out. So we'll have to mark a center spot in there and drill a big hole through there for our, be able to push it out. So we'll start on that right now. Get a little bit of lubrication on there. Oh, we're through. We hit the wood. All right. It's actually a puller. I just ran it through one bolt, put 4 bolts down. You got those 2 guide bolts. I'm heating this cylinder up with a heat gun right there, which is not on right now. And we're gonna see if we can't impact that piston out. If this don't work, I don't know what to do, because I've been soaking it with rust stuff for a couple of weeks now, and not a lot's happening. So without like buying acid, which will basically destroy everything, I don't know if the cylinder's still usable or not, but we're about to find out. So here we go. Out of the cylinder, because that's where I want it to pop out of, and trying to get one good constant heat. If I can get that fluid. Let's see if this crazy idea works. Pushing the plate out, I don't think it's working. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Is it moving? Uh-oh. Uh-oh, I hear something. Uh-oh. Come on, baby. It'll be good news. No way. Well, I'll be danged. You see it coming? Huh? You see that? We're scratching the shit out of her on the way out. Look at all that rust right there. That was in the cylinder. That's why she wouldn't come out. But I think we can just put new rods and stuff. We'll clean all that up. I can't still really see down in there how bad it is. We're gonna find out though. I got down as far as I could and ripped my threads off, so I'm gonna have to put something down underneath that and get another shot at it, get it the rest of the way off. We're pretty close though. So we take it apart and redo her. This off. Nope. That one a little looser. Should be able to slide this over to the side. I'll do it. It gives me about another inch. That's what everybody wants, right? Another inch. Let's see. Getting her snugged on back down. GoPro, stop recording. And here she comes. Going to try to use the rubber mallet and smack this side up because you can see it's a little bit lower. That one's loose. Let's see if we can get the other one. Yeah, we're good. She's out. Kind of. There she blows. I don't know how much you can see, but actually that rod moves really good. There's basically no left or right play in it. So I think our crank will be good once we get it all cleaned up. We will have to more than likely tear this whole motor down because these get bolted on from there. But I wanted to get the cylinder off before I pulled the motor out because usually it's easier if things are connected. This piston. Do the back side, is basically reverse direction.
Got it. Hang right over. I gotta head over to the back.
Alright, if you can see those cylinders there, there's a couple of marks right here that I can get a fingernail with. So I don't think any amount of honing is going to really fix that. So we are going to have to get this one sized over. It was close, and it's only in a couple of spots. I don't know if you can even see, but yeah, we're going to have to get her board over right there too. You can kind of see the lines. So we're going to take this to my buddy's machine shop and we'll get her fixed up properly. You can see a line right there, probably where a ring was sitting, and there's one right there too. So anyway, it is what it is. We'll get her fixed up.